Hi, in this video, what I will demonstrate to you is how to enter a miscellaneous expense item on the cost side. So again, these would be expenses that are like one-offs or happen out in the field, like the Home Depot run or something like that. So again, I'm in cost management, in cost, and I'm going to go to expense. And from here, I'm going to add an example from your data set of the vendor pay setter. And you will be the payer of this. And I need to add a sub item. I'm going to call it pay setter. And this will go to assign it to a budget code, office supplies, and it was for $480. And the other thing I can do here is I can update it with the invoice number. So that I can reference that. And then what I'll do is I'll open the expense item itself. So it has the invoice number, the vendor, the supplier details, because your guys are the ones that are submitting the invoice. And what I can do from here is I can add my documentation. In this case, I want the invoice. So I'll go to my cost management, my exhibits, and I will get the invoice right here, select, and now I have a copy of the invoice to support this $480 and all the supporting documentation. The other thing I can do, if it's helpful for you, is in the references section, I can add photos. So if I'm out in the field and I have a receipt or a bill, I can take a photo of it, or a delivery ticket. In this case, I have one here in the demo environment. I can attach the photo to support the invoice even further. So now I have a photo, I have a copy of the invoice, and if I'm happy with that, I can set this to an approved status. And now I've created a miscellaneous expense item to be billed later on to my owner. If there's any questions about creating other miscellaneous expenses, such as like labor tracking and things like that, happy to help out and go through that with you. Otherwise, thanks for listening, and let me know if you have any questions.